Well, hello there. This is Diamond from Diamond Shine Soap, guys. I'm happy to see you today. Today in the studio, we are going to make some sugar scrub bars. Okay, so these are some scrubby bars. We're going to be using some melt and pour soap, guys. It's best to get the white. I use the clear. Please don't do that. Okay, but if you use the clear, you're going to need some orange mica powder. Also, you're going to need some yellow mica powder. And you're going to need some white titanium dioxide. And you're going to need some brown, okay, some brown mica powder or brown oxide. Okay, you're gonna need these silicone molds that's shaped like a pound cake, little cakes, yeah, that kind of thing. I'll give you guys all the information you need in a Patreon, the links that you need to purchase everything that you're going to purchase, so you won't be left in the dark. This is a free recipe. It will lead you to my Patreon. I have a couple levels, and one of those levels is free. Okay, all right, so let's get right into it. So as you're going to see, as you did see, you do need some sugar. Okay, so that is a carrier oil that I am pouring into the hot melted down melt and pour soap. Okay, so I just popped it in the microwave for about 30 seconds, maybe a little more, but I just do like 30-second bursts. Okay, so now I'm mixing my mica powder in with that, because now we're going to go ahead and achieve that nice cake color. Okay, so I'm adding some brown oxide because, as you can see, that color is a hot mess. Okay, and ignore my little trick-or-treat spatula. Don't be coming for my spatula. I'm going to use my spatula all year long. Okay, get it on clearance. All right, so I'm just stirring it in. As you can see, my color it definitely looked like that cake color. Okay, so I had to add a little white to it just to kind of get that color in there the way I wanted it to be. So I'm just stirring it up, and I want to go ahead and I'm getting ready to add my sugar now. Make sure you have everything waiting for you, like meaning that you don't have to move stuff around. Like you need to hurry up and pour that sugar in there. And when you when you put that sugar in there, you got to move really quick, because it will get hard on you fast. So if it does get hard, put it in the microwave for a few seconds, not long, because remember, you can kind of melt that sugar. So I'm putting a little bit of fragrance in there, not much. You don't need a whole lot of fragrance for melt and pour soap. So, now I'm going to go ahead and pour it into my molds. So I'm just going to give it another stir, and it is nice and thick. But it's not too thick. When it gets really thick and it can't pour, you definitely got to put it back in the microwave for a little bit. Okay, you be careful with that. Not too much microwaving. Okay, so you just want to make sure you just get everything into the mold as fast as possible. Okay, so I got about 4 cakes out of this batch that I did right here, and that was actually okay. That was exactly what I needed. Okay. So I'm just basically pouring it, and then I just popped it into the fridge to make it move a little faster, or you can sit on your countertop. This is our finished solidified melt and pour product, I could say. All right, so I'm just going to go and look at my little strawberries. Now, those are some melt and pour soap strawberries. I made those on the channel. If you need that video, I will definitely link that video into this video where I taught you guys how to make melt and pour embeds. Okay. All right, so there we are with some mica. I will put that in the Patreon as well. This mica, I believe I had got from Brambleberry a while ago, and it's a sparkle color. Okay, and that's what I wanted to use because I wanted to bring it out. I didn't want to just use like a bland white. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and pour this melt and pour into my soap. It does not melt it or do anything to it to mess it up. So I'm just going around just moving as fast as possible, because one thing you will know about melt and pour soap, it does solidify pretty fast. So you want to go ahead and move quickly. Okay, move very fast. And so once I did that, I went ahead and just put my strawberries in that center piece. Okay, inside that hole, I just threw my strawberries in that hole, and they actually look okay in that hole. I like it. At first I was like, but in the end, it actually looked nice. Okay, and so the last one, I didn't want to put a strawberry in. I just wanted to play around with sprinkles because I wanted to make it look like a frosted piece of cake, and it actually did. I mean, I think so. So I'm just putting my little sprinkles on here, and that is it, guys. This is a finished product. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to package these up in some little pie boxes. And I'm going to put these on my website for sale. That is what I'm going to do. I usually don't put everything on my website, but now I'm just going to start putting these things on my website, and I'll come back and work on everything else later, okay? All right, well, you know what? This is the end of this video, guys. As you can see, I'm just pulling all the soap off from the bottom and just showing you what it looked like, the finished product. And it is adorable, guys. I love it. It is so nice. Do you see that? Oh, my God. I love it. All right. So listen, guys, go ahead and hit that like, subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell. Also, I do one-on-one coaching, and that is in the description box as well. And that is for candle makers, people who want to get their candle life all the way fixed. Okay, you want to go ahead and book that coaching session so you just don't spend a whole bunch of money on crap. All right, they look really cute, right? I love them. I was almost hungry making these. All right, guys, you have a wonderful, wonderful day. All right.